Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making 3 ingredients snacks recipe. It's look delicious. Less ingredients, less time taken recipe. Good for party starters. Potato 200 grams. Peel the skin. Cut the potato into small cubes. It takes less time to boil. Boil the potatoes. Smash the potatoes with the help of strainer. Silky smooth potato is ready. Silky smooth potato. Now add egg yolk. Don't add yolk if potato is hot. Salt as per taste. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Take a piping bag or cover. Transfer mashed potato like this. In a baking tray. Do like this. You can bake on stove. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Bake for 20 minutes on 170 degrees centigrade. It's ready to serve. You can store up to 2 to 3 days in airtight jar. Spring onions on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.